Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 306A, that is find the maximum sum of node values, and in this there exists an undirected tree with n nodes numbered from 0 to n minus 1, and in this will be also given at 0 index 2D integer array edges of length n minus 1, where edges I will be equal to ui vi, indicate that there is an edge between the nodes ui and vi in the tree, and we'll be also given a positive integer k and a 0 indexed array of non-negative integer sum of length n, where nums I represents the value of the node numbered I, and we are having Alice wants the sum of values of tree nodes to be maximum. Okay, for which Alice can perform the following operation n number of times including 0 on the tree. And for this we are having, we can choose any edge u and v connecting the nodes u and v and update their values as nums u will be equal to nums u XOR k, or nums v will be equal to nums v XOR k. Okay, so this is one operation. It's not like these are the two operations, this is just one operation. Okay, and we have to return the maximum possible sum of the values Alice can achieve by performing the operation n number of times. So in this, what's the one thing that we need to notice is that if we are changing, we cannot change the value of just one node, because it's mentioned that we have to change the value of two nodes, and just in case we as we know it's a tree, so there has to be a way between the nodes, and also it's an undirected tree, so we can just change these two values, and this can help us in achieving the maximum answer. It's not necessary that we have to change only the two connected edges or that, because we know that there is definitely a path from this node to this node, as it is an undirected tree. Okay, so firstly we'll be having the n that will be equal to the length of the nums, or you can also say, yeah, it's equal to the nums dot length only, in yeah nums are, yeah. Okay, and then let's have a long dp array, as the return time is also long, so new long of n, and 2 here we are taking just to make sure that we are when we are finding the maximum, we are always taking the two nodes, and we are always picking two nodes and not just only the one node. Okay, now for long we'll be filling the dp array with minus 1 in dp arrays dot fill, okay, fill I comma minus 1. Okay, and then we'll be returning the function call that will be find maximum, and this will be passing the nums array my k, and we don't have to pass the edges array, as the answer will just be dependent on this particular nums array, that which are the two values for which we can do the also XOR to find the maximum answer, the index. And here this is the toggle between that we are sending, we are picking either one node or the zero node, because in this case we just basically this means that we are picking one node or the even number of nodes, odd number of nodes or even number of nodes. So initially we are have picked zero nodes, so that means we have set the flag variable to be true. Okay, let's consider this as a flag variable only. Okay, and then what else we need to pass is the dp array. Okay, and now we'll be having the solution, that private find max, we'll be having the nums int k, int index, and int is even. We'll be toggling between this and my long dp array. Okay, dp, and now what I'll be doing is I'll be based on this, that if my index is equal to nums dot length, that means I have crossed I've checked for all the values of the nums. Here I'll be checking that I'll be returning based on the fact that if my is even is equal to 0, in that case I have to return 0, that means it's a valid case, otherwise I'll be oh okay, here I forgot the return type, private long, long, and here I'll be sending the minimum value, because we need to find the maximum answer, so it will definitely get cancelled out. And then we have to check that if dp of index and is even is not equal to minus 1, we'll be returning this particular thing, dp of index and is even. Okay, and then what I'll be having two choices, so that I can do a XOR. So let's say we have done the XOR, so for that nums I XOR k plus the maximum which we'll be getting from this find maximum, and this will be passing the nums k, I'll be increasing my index, and I'll be toggling between my is even and my dps. Okay, and if it's not XORed, let's say not XORed, that will be equal to nums I plus find maximum nums k. My index will still increase and my even will not toggle, and the dp array, and at the dp, and I'll be returning dp of index and is even will be equal to the maximum of XORed or not XORed. Okay, now let's run it quickly. Okay, cannot find symbol. Nums int, it should be uh, I and D. Now let's run it. Okay, so it says pause. Oh, long. The type should be long, long. Now let's run it again. Okay, so it says wrong answer. The expected answer comes out to this. Okay, let me just have a quick look. I guess the outputs differences. Okay, I'll just have a look. What I did wrong. Okay, so I can see the error over here. The toggle condition one means true, so this was the error that I made. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it's accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.